guys, imagine if we catch the red with the red tag on there. Oh yeah, baby, big bugs.
Try it, Elijah.
Yeah. Come on.
Nope.
Come on.
Let's do it. Go.
Keep going. Don't give up. Body back. Yeah. Really? Come on, really. Right. I'm not gonna let it go.
How it feel, Elijah?
You got a fucking monster, bro. A monster. We got another big fish, fam.
We got like 200 yards out there, dude.
Still like another 200 yards?
Still far out. Heading more right now.
Oh yeah. We would have to.
Taking turns. How many yards? How many yards was it thrown out?
Like 450 yards.
Oh my God, it is fighting. Yeah, ready? Oh yeah, it's pulling, Brody. Come on, Daddy. You have to fight it to go. Yeah, come on.
It's tough.
We're pulling that in on a new custom pole and a gold Avet reel. Little banger, bro. We're gonna see when we pull it out. We've been wanting to catch a shark or a red with the red tag on there for the CCA Texas Star Tournament. Y'all know about it, but we're gonna see what's up.
Golly, cuz. That's what we wanted. That's what we got the freaking drone for.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Speaking about the drones, zoom in on that bad boy over there. Right in the shade.
Bro, you heard when it ran?
Yeah, it started screaming. Real started screaming nasty. I'm not trying to take that moment from you. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no jealousy. It's friendly competition.
It's a blackfish, right?
Yes, sir.
Look.
Hey, this your boy, Screwstone Anglers with my boy Outlaw Anglers. We just caught a shark with my little boy. It's a giant, dude.